Hi flower friends, Kelsea from East Olivia here. I'm going to be walking you through how to condition your flowers. Let's get started. First things first, gather your tools and materials. Let's talk about the two categories of supplies, need to have and nice to have. Need to have: rubber gloves to protect you from pesticides, a clean bucket so your flowers can drink while you work, shears to cut your flowers, clean vessels to organize and arrange your blooms. Here are some other tools and materials that are nice to have if you'd like to go the extra mile. Quick dip to help your flowers hydrate quickly and last as long as possible. Poly rose stripper to quickly dull thorns and remove foliage. Now you're ready to condition. Let's get started. Remove any foliage that falls below the waterline, but feel free to keep some at the top if you like. For peonies and most flowers, gently remove the leaves like so. For tulips, gently pull back the leaves. For roses, be careful with the thorns. I recommend using a poly rose stripper if you have one. Gather your stems, tap them on your work surface, then give them a fresh cut. Insert the stems in 1 inch of quick dip for 1 second and then place them in your vase. Flowers will often show up tight and small. There are several ways to help them open up. Warm water, quick dip, and a little time will help open tighter blooms. These roses are the exact same variety, but are 1 week apart. For carnations, you can gently roll them between your thumb and index finger with one hand while pushing them open with the other. Keep dried and dyed flowers in their own separate containers. Dried flowers should not be placed in water until they are ready to be used in an arrangement. Because their dye can bleed onto other stems, dyed flowers should be kept in a separate vessel until arranging. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered. Remove the foliage, give them a fresh cut, quick dip, place them in clean water, keep dried and dyed flowers separate. Thanks for flowering along with us. Please be sure to tag us and show us what you create. We can't wait to see it.